How can I link to other YouTube channel or my YouTube channel as a featured channel? Hi, I'm Faith Uzohu. I just created a new YouTube channel and I linked it to this very channel. Come along and I'll show you how. Launch your browser and search for studio.youtube. That is YouTube Studio. That is where your back end is. Many content creators don't know that they have a back end, but I guess that's not you. So once your studio app is launched, go to customization. This little icon that looks like a fairy wand. So once you're on customization, come down to your mid right hand side where you see add section. I'm using mobile right now. This is on mobile, but basically the same if you're on your desktop or laptop rather. So once you're on that add section, come down to where you see featured channels. Here under here you see videos, popular video shorts. Just come down to featured channels. Now you have the option of searching for the channel you want to add as a featured channel or just type in the name. You can, okay, let's go ahead and title this section. I'm going to title it my channels. Let's just title it that, my channels. And I'll search for the channel. I'm going to search for my newest channel, which is F Uzohu. That channel doesn't have let's just search for something else. I have another one, Web3 Finance Girl. This channel is more like an experiment. I just post crypto related content there. Okay, so this is the channel. I'll just search for it now. So I'm just going to search it, and yeah, once you're sure that this is the channel, obviously you see the profile picture, just write done. That is type, just tap on that done and then it will be under your featured channel. After that is done, you would have to publish. Actually, don't make that mistake, please. You have to publish. Then you can go back to your YouTube app and search and just check your channel. You see that it has been added, Web3 Finance Girl. So that is how you go about adding featured channel. But like I said, if you cannot find the channel, just search with URL. Let's just look for a channel. Let's say this okay, let's just choose one channel. What channel? Let's just take this first channel. Okay, go to share and copy the link. Once you've copied the link, go back to your studio, go back to add section, go back to featured channels and search for the channel. All right, once you search, like I said, it has shown the channel you are looking for. Just go ahead and add the channel to the channels, so you can feature your own channel or any other channel you fancy. Thank you for watching till now, and I hope that you found this very useful. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel.